Hi, I'm Ronnie. I'm a senior at Egan High School, and when I was visiting my cousins in Kenya, I noticed a lot of people did not have access to clean drinking water. Now, I thought these problems could only be fixed by policymakers, but with Connectory, I realized that I could have access to a mentor who could help me change these problems through STEM.
In a study by Microsoft, 72% of girls said that it was important for them to have a job that makes the world better. Yet only 37% thought that STEM careers could do that. Because many girls don't see STEM as a way to solve issues that they're passionate about, many don't pursue STEM careers. This leads to a large gap between the number of men and women working in STEM disciplines.
That's where Connectory comes in. We're Computer Glitz, and we've created Connectory to be a virtual, global mentorship platform that shows girls real-world problems and connects them to mentors working in STEM fields who can help them solve those problems. Our original idea was a basic mentorship app between students and professionals, but after researching competitors, we found that these apps were very common. But after attending the International Day of Women and Girls in STEM event at the United Nations headquarters, we noticed a problem that hit close to home. The people most affected by a lack of mentorship were girls. We also wanted to tackle the gender gap in the STEM fields, so we've created Connectory to be focused on getting girls involved in STEM. Our approach is unique because we feature the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals in the app, which outline urgent global issues. These goals serve as inspiration for girls to talk about the issues with their mentors, who can help them figure out ways STEM can be used to achieve these goals.
Other apps can't compete. Connectory is focused on girls in STEM. Apps like Intercell and Pushfar are targeted towards early career professionals in any field. Mentor Match and Quick Tutor offer academic tutoring, while Seeker connects people with experts for a fee. Mentor Go is for students, but it isn't STEM focused and it's only available in India. Other apps also have features like search and mentor directories. Connectory has taken the innovative approach of featuring UN Sustainability Development Goals as a way for girls to think about real-world problems needing STEM solutions. Searching the app for mentors who have an interest and experience in a specific SDG is powerful. Girls using Connectory see themselves using STEM to solve problems in their community now and as a future career. We already have over 20 beta phase mentor volunteers from around the world.
When I open the app, I have the login screen. Let's sign up. I can switch between being a mentee or a mentor. For now, I will be a mentor. I can either fill out the bio registration or in my mentor profile. The bio is used by mentees to decide who they want to be mentored by. Registering sends all this information to the external database. This is the SDG screen. It's a list of the UN Sustainable Development Goals with detailed descriptions. I can go between screens using the bottom bar. Before I explore the rest of the mentor screens, let's go to the mentee screens. I will log in as a registered mentee. This is the search screen. I can search either by SDG, a problem I want to solve, or by location. I want to pursue the SDG of no poverty. Here are available mentors. I want to be mentored by Bob Johnson, and so I'll send him a request. Now I will sign in as Bob. In the notification screen, I can either accept or reject. If I accept, I'm put in contact with the mentee and the message is stored in an inbox. Through user feedback, we adapted our app to give mentors more flexibility and control over their commitments because time was a major issue. Our biggest coding challenge was we were unable to meet in person. It was hard to know what the business or tech team wanted. We didn't know how screens interacted because we were each working on different screens at different times. In addition, mentoring was harder without face-to-face communication. However, each team member was still able to learn a lot and contribute to the code. Connectory was the first time we used the external database Firestore, GeoPoint for search by location, and interactable notifications.
We will incorporate as a nonprofit and make Connectory free to use. We'll also run Connectory with no ads to not impede on our users' educational experiences, so our main forms of revenue will come from donations and grants. We'll apply to these 4 grants because of their commitment to women-run organizations and science-based initiatives. This is the total amount we could receive from these grants. We estimate we'll get about 1/5 of that, making this our revenue. We'll also seek $10,000 in donations through avenues like Kickstarter. All profit will be invested into further developing Connectory.
By connecting girls with mentors in STEM, Connectory allows for girls to explore their interests and use STEM to fix problems in their community. Mentorship is one of the most valuable tools when getting girls engaged in STEM fields. This is apparent in our own lives. Technovation mentors help students come up with ideas using STEM to solve problems that they care about. We wouldn't be here without their support. It's important now more than ever to fill the gender gap in the STEM field. Connectory helps achieve this goal and will inspire the next generation of women in STEM.